An Energy Website Guide. Chapter 1. Energy Websites. Major energy websites. Energy.gov, 800-342-5363, Department of Energy. EIA.DOE.gov, Energy Information Administration. AREN.DOE.gov/biopower/basics/BA_FB.html. AREN.DOE.gov/geothermal/geobasics.html. AREN.DOE.gov/RE/hydropower.html. AREN.DOE.gov/RE/ocean.html. EIA.DOE.gov/emu/international/electric.html, United States Energy Information Administration website, electric usage. EIA.DOE.gov, United States Energy Information Administration website. Energy efficiency and renewable energy. Energy.gov/ER/office-energy-efficiency-renewable-energy. Information about saving energy and weatherization. Electric power websites / electric utilities websites. Amasi.com. bls.gov/oco/cg/cgs018.htm, Utilities Industry Overview, BLS. eei.org/watwedo/data analysis/pages, electric industry data analysis. eia.doe.gov/cneaf/electricity/page/at_glance/gen_tabs.html, electricity generation, electric power industry info, powerscorecard.org/technologies.cfm, electricity generating technologies. eia.doe.gov/fuelelectric.html, electric industry overview. eia.doe.gov/kids/energy facts/sources/electricity.html, how is electrical energy generated? electricity.org.uk. electricuniverse.com. electro-optical.com. energycentral.com. energyonline.com, Energy Online, forecast, reports, databases. howstuffworks.com/power.htm, how power grid distribution works. ovonic.com, energy control devices. powerscorecard.org/elec_env.cfm, electricity and the environment. powerwatch.org.uk, Power Watch. rmI.org/sitpage/pid303.php, electric industry innovations. utilityconnection.com. Energy websites 1. ASEE.org, Energy Efficient Economy. afdc.doe.gov, where to get things like natural gas, liquefied petroleum, etc. afdcmap.nrel.gov/nrel, where to get things like natural gas, liquefied petroleum, etc. altenergy.com. ase.org, Alliance to Save Energy. crest.org, Center for Renewable Energy and Sustainable Technology. cta.ornell.gov/cta/research_energy.shtml, Energy and Environmental Policy Analysis. DesireUSA.org, Database of State Incentives for Renewables and Efficiency. eair.energy.gov/consumer/eurome/energy-audits/index.cfm. eia.doe.gov. energycommerce.house.gov. energygrid.com. energyquest.ca.gov. energysaver.gov/seasonal/financial_assistance.html, financial assistance for energy saving improvements. energystar.gov. energystar.gov, 888-782-7937, hotline, save energy, get lists of the best products. energystar.gov/index.cfm, C = home_improvement.home_improvement_index. energytaxincentives.org, buy Windows or energy-saving appliances and get a tax break, save receipts. er.doe.gov. aran.doe.gov/consumerinfo. etde.org, Energy Database. fueleconomy.gov. hes.lbl.gov, the Home Energy Saver. nrdc.org, Natural Resources Defense Council, you can see how much energy appliances use. nrel.gov, National Renewable Energy Lab. ostai.gov/energy citations, energy citations database. worldenergy.com/knowledge_center. Energy websites too. eair.energy.gov, U.S. Department of Energy, Energy Efficiency and Renewable Energy. EnergyStar.gov, EnergyStar.gov, find/explore, products. Science.gov, Energy and Energy Conservation. NESA.org, Northeast Sustainable Energy Association, NESIA, Clean Energy, Green Buildings, Transportation. EnergyTomorrow.com, EnergyTomorrow.com, Oil and Gas 101, Economy, Environment, Energy Security, Tech Tour. ASE.org, Alliance to Save Energy, Achieve a Healthier Economy, a Cleaner Environment, Greater Energy Security. API.org, American Petroleum Institute, API, about oil and natural gas, environment, health, safety. eair.energy.gov/consumer/tips. efficiencyns.ca. EFI.org, Energy Federation Inc. efm.leeds.ac.uk/civ/civ1140/section 03, work, energy and power. egj.lib.uidaho.edu. eia.doe.gov, Energy Information Administration. elec-toolbox.com. electrical-efficiency.com. electricenergyonline.com. electromn.com/glossary/a.htm, glossary of energy terms. ems.psu.edu/related sites/earth-science.html, go to technology of energy. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/energy. Energy websites 3. adventuresinenergy.org/interactive/main.swf, Adventures in Energy. aga.org/research/statistics, natural gas statistics. ahrinet.org/content/homeowners_home_4.aspx, energy related links. alabamapower.com/residential/energy.asp. answers.com/topic/electricity. api-ec.api.org/statistics, energy statistics. ase.org, Alliance to Save Energy. asis.org, Solar Energy. a.org/newsroom, wind energy news. a.org/pub/factsheets.html, wind energy fact sheets. beckwithelectric.com/power lines. belkin.com/energy/conserve. bigasfans.com, get big energy savings by using HVLS fans in the winter. bp.com. c3energy.com. cbc.ca/consumers/market/tips/cleaners.html. cfra.org, Center for Rural Affairs. cherrylandelectric.com, Cherryland Electric Cooperative. citizen.org/cmep, Public Citizens Critical Mass Energy Project, Pro-Renewable Energy. classroom-energy.org. clean-energy.com. cmu.edu/ceic/papers/us-electric-power.pdf. cnx.org/content/m16730/latest, non-renewable sources of energy. coaleducation.org/lessons/lesson.htm, Kentucky Coal Education, lessons. commerce.wa.gov/portal/alias_underscore_underscore CTED/lang_502/desktop-default.aspx, your local weatherization agency in Washington State. conserveNS.ca. conserveNS.ca/energy-saving tips. consumerenergycenter.org, California Energy Commission. consumerenergycenter.org, Consumer Energy Resources. cooperative.com, Electric Co-op News. DED website, trythebalancecareers.com/science/energy. discoverychool.com/curriculum center/electricity. dodigitalarchive.doe.gov, Department of Energy Digital Photo Archive. dreampowersaver.com, gadget reduces use of electrical energy. lepower.org/conservation.html. commerce.wa.gov/site/500/default.aspx, Washington Department of Commerce. Learn what weatherization can do for your home, get some energy-saving tips and find weatherization services and programs in your area. dsire-usa.org. en.lbl.gov/cbs/vh. en.lbl.gov/cbs/vh/librarian.html, Home Energy Saver Librarian. earth911.org. earthdog.com/renew. earthpulse.com. ecofriendlycup.com, coffee. ecotopia.com/azis/solar today. edtech.kennesaw.edu/web/heatener.html, energy, heat, sound, light, edtech. eei.org/our issues/energy efficiency, access to energy.com. Energy websites for energia.gov.mx. energy-comparison.net. energy-enviro.fi. energy-expert-network.com. energy.alberta.ca. energy.eu. energy.gov. energy.gov.bn. energy.gov.il. energy.maryland.gov. energy.tradiworlds.com. energycommerce.house.gov. energydelphis.com. energyexpo.biz. energyexpo.co.kr. energyglobal.com. energyinstitution.org.